What's up, everyone? If you're planning to build a gaming PC or upgrade your graphics card in 2026, picking the right GPU can make a huge difference in gaming performance, content creation, and AI workloads. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best graphics cards of 2026, from powerful RTX 5070 series cards to budget-friendly RTX 5060 models. We'll cover performance, cooling, features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one fits your setup best. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 OC Edition. Taking the top spot is the ASUS TUF RTX 5070 OC Edition. This card balances performance, durability, and cooling better than almost any GPU in its class. With 12 GB GDDR7, PCIe 5.0, military-grade components, and protective PCB coating, it's built for long-term reliability. ASUS TUF cooling is among the best in the market, and the factory overclock delivers excellent performance right out of the box. It handles 1440p Ultra settings with ease and performs very well in 4K gaming. Pros: excellent overall gaming performance, premium build quality, outstanding cooling performance, reliable long-term durability. Cons: large 3.125 slot size, higher price point than standard RTX 5070 models. If you want the best balance of performance and quality in 2026, this is our top pick. Number 2. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti Gaming OC 16G. In the second spot is the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 Ti Gaming OC. This GPU is a powerhouse with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory and a 256-bit memory bus, making it ideal for high refresh rate 1440p gaming and excellent 4K performance. The WINDFORCE cooling system handles heat efficiently, and the extra VRAM gives it more longevity for future games. Pros: excellent 1440p and 4K gaming performance, 16 GB VRAM for future-proofing, strong cooling system, great overclocking headroom. Cons: higher power draw, premium pricing. If you want serious gaming performance without jumping to flagship pricing, this is a fantastic option. Number 3. ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5060 OC Edition. This GPU offers similar performance to the GIGABYTE version, but comes with ASUS Premium Dual Fan Cooling, 0 dB silent mode, and a cleaner, compact design. It's excellent for esports, AAA gaming at 1080p, and content creators on a tighter budget. Pros: quiet operation with 0 dB mode, strong factory overclock, premium ASUS build quality, compact 2.5 slot design. Cons: still limited by 8 GB VRAM, and performance gap versus 5070 is noticeable. If silent operation matters to you, this is a strong pick. Number 4. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 WINDFORCE OC 8G. Fourth, we have the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 WINDFORCE OC. This is a great mid-range option for gamers focused on 1080p and entry-level 1440p gaming. It features 8 GB GDDR7 and a reliable WINDFORCE cooling solution. GIGABYTE's cooling system keeps temperature stable, and factory overclocking gives you extra performance out of the box. Pros: great 1080p gaming performance, affordable compared to RTX 5070 cards, good thermal performance, efficient power consumption. Cons: 8 GB VRAM may feel limiting for future AAA games. Not ideal for serious 4K gaming. For budget-conscious gamers, this card delivers strong value. Number 5. ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 SFF Ready. Last, we have the ASUS Prime RTX 5070 SFF Ready. This card is designed for compact PC builders who want strong next-gen performance without sacrificing space. It packs 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, PCIe 5.0 support, and NVIDIA's latest DLSS 4 technology. The compact 2.5 slot design makes it ideal for smaller builds while still delivering excellent thermal efficiency with ASUS Axial Tech fans. Pros: strong 1440p and solid entry-level 4K performance. Compact SFF-friendly design. Dual BIOS support. Efficient cooling system. Cons: smaller cooler means slightly higher temps under full load. Not as heavily overclocked as premium models. Overall, if you want performance in a compact form factor, this is one of the best choices available. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best graphics cards in 2026. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig, upgrading for better FPS, or looking for a GPU for streaming and content creation, there's a card on this list for every budget and performance level. If you found this video helpful, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and more details on each graphics card. And let us know in the comments which GPU would you choose for your next build. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next top tech picks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.